Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Today, we will be discussing the Diagnostic Trouble Codes, or DTC P0976 and P0977 that pertain to the Shift Solenoid Valve B for the Honda Pilot produced between 2016 and 2022. These codes indicate issues with the electrical circuits affecting the solenoid, which is crucial for the vehicle's automatic transmission system. Specifically, DTC P0976 signifies a low input signal from Shift Solenoid B, while DTC P0977 indicates a high input signal. Understanding these codes is essential as they point to electrical circuit problems rather than mechanical issues within the transmission itself. For effective troubleshooting, we will cover detailed steps to diagnose and rectify these problems, ensuring safe and smooth vehicle operation. The error associated with DTC P0976 and P0977 is rooted in the functionality of the Shift Solenoid Valve B, an essential component in the vehicle's automatic transmission system. The solenoid's primary role is to control the flow of transmission fluid, which directly impacts gear shifting. Positioned within the transmission assembly, the solenoid is connected to various electrical circuits, which receive input signals from the Transmission Control Module, or TCM. This communication is vital for ensuring the solenoid operates correctly, permitting smooth and responsive gear changes. If there is an issue with the electrical circuit, specifically low or high input signals, the transmission may experience performance issues or erratic shifting behavior. Therefore, recognizing the solenoid's function and location is crucial in addressing these DTCs effectively. The possible causes underlying DTC P0976 and P0977 primarily revolve around electrical circuit issues rather than mechanical failures in the transmission itself. One common cause is the presence of open wires in the Shift Solenoid B circuit, which disrupts the normal flow of electrical signals. This could stem from loose terminals or corroded connections that block proper communication. Another potential issue could be a short circuit to ground within the same circuit, which may cause voltage irregularities, leading to high or low input signals. Lastly, a faulty hydraulic control unit can also generate these DTCs if it does not process or respond to signals correctly. Systematically checking these areas is crucial for accurate diagnosis and repair. When DTC P0976 or P0977 is triggered, various symptoms may manifest, impacting the vehicle's drivability. Commonly, drivers may experience erratic shifting behavior, where the transmission hesitates between gears or shifts roughly. This can lead to a delayed engagement when accelerating, where the vehicle feels unresponsive at times. The check engine light may illuminate on the dashboard as an alert for potential issues detected by the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system. Additionally, other transmission warning indicators may appear, causing concern for the driver. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent further damage to the transmission system and ensure timely interventions. The first troubleshooting step involves confirming the presence of DTC P0976 or P0977 by using the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS. Start by turning the ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. Following this, utilize the HDS to clear any active or pending DTCs from the system. Once cleared, turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode, allowing the vehicle to rest for a brief period. Then, turn the ignition back to the on mode. After several seconds, use the HDS again to check for any return DTCs. If either DTC is present, proceed to the next steps. However, if they do not return, an intermittent issue may exist, suggesting further examination of connections and wiring might be necessary. The next troubleshooting step focuses on checking the wiring related to the Shift Solenoid B circuit. Begin by ensuring the vehicle is completely turned off or in the lock mode. Next, carefully disconnect the TCM subharness 26P connector and the TCM 58P connector to isolate the circuits. The aim here is to check for continuity between specific test points on these connectors. You will need to measure continuity between TCM subharness connector number 1 and TCM connector number 3, as well as between TCM subharness connector number 8 and TCM connector number 36 individually. If continuity is present, it confirms that the Shift Solenoid B and Variable Valve Solenoid VB-Sol wiring is intact. If continuity is absent, it could indicate an open circuit, necessitating repairs in the wiring. In the third troubleshooting step, the focus shifts to identifying any shorted wires in the circuit. This involves checking the same connectors that you previously disconnected, specifically looking for continuity between specific terminal points and body ground, effectively testing for short circuits. With the vehicle still in off mode, retest the continuity between TCM connector terminals number 3 and number 36 to the vehicle's body ground. If continuity is detected, this could indicate that a short to ground exists within the Shift Solenoid B or Variable Valve Solenoid wiring, warranting immediate repair. However, if no such continuity is found, it suggests that the wiring is intact. At this point, the next step would be to replace the hydraulic control unit if all wires and connections are proven to be functional. After completing the corrective actions for DTC P0976 and P0977, it's essential to verify that the repairs were successful. Use the Honda Diagnostic System, or HDS, once again to check for any remaining DTCs. Following this verification, it's crucial to undertake a drive test of the vehicle to observe its performance under real-world conditions. During the drive test, pay close attention to any transmission-related symptoms that were previously noted or that may arise. Ensure that the vehicle transitions smoothly through all gears and that the shifting behavior is consistent with standard operations. If no new DTCs appear and the vehicle operates correctly, you can confidently conclude that the repair has been successful. Preventive maintenance is a critical aspect of keeping the automatic transmission system, including the Shift Solenoid B circuit, functioning optimally. Regular inspections of wiring and electrical connectors help to catch wear or corrosion before they lead to trouble codes. Ensure that the TCM, or Transmission Control Module, is kept updated with any software patches or updates from Honda, as these can significantly enhance performance and reliability. Additionally, maintaining proper transmission fluid levels and quality is essential for the health of the transmission components, preventing overheating and ensuring efficient operation. These proactive strategies can aid in minimizing potential issues and prolonging the life of the transmission system. In summary, understanding the significance of DTC's P0976 and P0977 is vital for maintaining the performance of the Honda Pilot's automatic transmission. Since these codes are solely related to electrical circuit problems, focusing troubleshooting efforts on the wiring and connections is paramount. Recognizing symptoms such as erratic gear shifting and delayed engagement can lead to timely repairs and prevent further complications. The troubleshooting steps outlined, from confirming the DTCs to verifying repair success, establish a comprehensive approach to diagnosis and correction. Employing preventive maintenance strategies ensures these issues can be mitigated in the long term, thereby enhancing the reliability and driving experience of the vehicle. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.